At the end of July 2010, the stormy rainfall in Pakistan turned from a blessing into a calamity. The drops of water coalesced into a flood, and the brutal waves caused devastating damage, the worst in Pakistani history. The water burst over the riverbanks and went out of control. From Kashmir to Sindh, thousands of inhabitants, villages, and small towns were swept away in force. All that was left behind was an unforgettable memory of the destruction. A statistical survey from several sources reveals that around 2,000 precious human lives perished. Hundreds of thousands of homes were destroyed. Millions of hectares of cultivated crops washed away, and over 20 million people suffered. These distressed brothers and sisters who were left homeless by the flood called out for help. Helping Hand for Relief and Development immediately responded, and our dedicated team rushed to aid our brothers and sisters with emergency assistance. Helping Hand for Relief and Development initiated this relief effort by establishing a medical camp in the district of Swat. Eventually, the medical camp spread to over 17 districts. Additionally, the affected people were provided with food and waterproof tents in various parts of Kashmir, Gilgit, Baltistan, and other severely affected areas. In the second phase of Helping Hand's flood relief operation, a complete program of rehabilitation and reconstruction was begun. Helping Hand conducted a thorough survey in various locations and launched the project in the most severely devastated areas. The program, named Adopt a Union Council, started work in 8 union councils to provide every basic necessity of life. The 8 union councils are in the following districts: Charsada and Nowshera in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Muzaffargarh and Rajanpur in Punjab, Jacobabad, Kashmir, and Shikarpur in Sindh, and Jafrabad in Balochistan. In these selected union councils, the tremendous amount of rehabilitation and reconstruction work has begun. The plan consists of constructing 1,600 homes, establishing 8 field hospitals, installing 24 water filtration plants, reconstructing 12 schools, providing interest-free loans to 8,000, providing agricultural tools and equipment to 78,000, and establishing 8 skill development centers. Now, with your charitable support, a family can have a home, clean drinking water, and a warm meal. You can lend a hand of support to the jobless and those who have been deprived of an education. Through your generosity, unemployed women can gain training and become independent. Step forward and donate with an open heart to the needy. Your donated amount will be fully utilized for the betterment of humanity. For further details, please visit our website www.hhrd.org or call us at 1-888-808-4357.